video is going to cover how to use OneDesk to do Agile project management. As you can see, I'm in my projects application, which shows my projects list. Now I've structured a pretty simple structure here. I have my organization, I have a backlog project which contains all my unplanned tasks. I have my product, which at this point contains 2 sprints. So these are projects that I've created in my account. You'll create your own structure and it can be as nested as deeply as you'd like. When you click on the details of a particular project, this pop-up will show with the details of this selected project. You can dock these details on the side if you have a large enough screen. As you can see up here, I've determined a points capacity for this particular project. So I've determined that this project can handle 20 points worth of work. And so far I've put in 6. So this kind of adds up the points that you've planned for the project and the points that you've actually put in terms of the tasks. You can make sure those two are equal or as close to it as possible. Next, I'm going to show you how to do some project planning. You switch over to the tasks application here and you select the project planning board. If you don't have the project planning view listed in your account, you can create one very easily. Just click this create new view, select the card view here, and select to group by project. This will create a board where each column represents a project. Apply it, save it, and it will appear on the side here. I called mine project planning, but you can call yours whatever you'd like. So now I'm able to move tasks from one project to another or from backlog into a project, etc. So just drag and drop to move a card. And for every project, I'll have a column here. You can turn on and off columns by just selecting them there. Next, I wanted to show you how you can do some of the project execution. So we have a status board right here. Now the status board allows you to drag and drop a card from one status to the next. So once again, it's very easy to do. You just move a card from one status to the next. As you can see, each task has its own set of points, and these points will follow your own scale. Some companies go with a simple 1 to 3 point scale, others go up to 20 points. It really depends on your company. But points are usually considered an estimate of the effort involved to resolve a particular task. So drag and drop a card from one column to the next will move it through its life cycle. These statuses are configurable as well, so you can follow whatever workflow your company wants to follow. Finally, I want to cover Burndown Charts in OneDesk. You can select the project application again and choose the project you want to look at. In this case, maybe I'll look at Sprint 2, and I will choose the dashboard view. The dashboard view will show me a bunch of charts and statistics about my project, and one of those charts is the Burndown chart. So you can see the tasks and how they are diminishing over time. I can take a look at just the remaining points, or I can turn off the remaining tasks, or in fact the work. So depending on how you want to work, if you want to work in points, if you want to work in man hours, or if you just want to count the tasks remaining, you can turn on and off these lines to see what you want to see. There's lots of other interesting charts here. Take a look. It covers a lot of the status of the project. So that's what I want to cover for Agile project management in OneDesk. The beauty of OneDesk, however, is that it combines both Agile and traditional project management in a single application. So to that effect, if you're in your tasks application, you can see things on boards like I'm showing you now. You can see things in a traditional tree. You can turn on a Gantt chart. You can show a calendar and much more. Thank you very much.